In this video, you will learn how to fix Ring Floodlight not turning on with motion. First of all, open the Ring app, select your floodlight camera, go to Device Settings, then Light Settings, and confirm that motion-activated lights are turned on. Next, go to Motion Settings and adjust motion zones so they fully cover the area where motion actually occurs, expanding zones outward rather than keeping them close to the camera. Increase motion sensitivity to at least medium or high and test by walking directly toward the camera. Make sure to check light motion zones separately from camera motion zones, as these are different settings and are commonly overlooked. Disable motion snooze, light schedules, and any modes such as disarmed or home rules that could be preventing the lights from activating. In device health, confirm the camera shows as online, the firmware is up to date, and the Wi-Fi signal strength, RSSI, is better than -70. Power cycle the floodlight by turning off power at the breaker for about 30 seconds, restoring power, and waiting roughly 5 minutes for the device to fully reboot. At night, inspect the camera view for infrared glare caused by nearby walls, gutters, or lights, as reflections can prevent motion from triggering the floodlights. Temporarily disable smart alerts or person detection to rule out motion filtering, suppressing light activation. If the lights still do not turn on, perform a factory reset and re-add the device in the Ring app, which often resolves persistent firmware-related issues.